guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to give you a quick look at my completed steering wheel. I've been working with this project for 3 weeks and finally got everything I needed to have it complete. The steering wheel is on and my new horn button arrived this morning in the mail, and it's attached. And you know, the original horn button I had was flatter, which created the conflict between the horn button switch, and the end of the steering column shaft. If I'd had about an 1/8 inch more room, I could have used the first button I bought, horn button. All right, I need to correct the record. In a previous video, I said that the original horn button I wanted and this one were created by Flaming River. They'll fit Flaming River steering wheels, but these were created by a company called Flashpoint, and you can find their products on Amazon. And this is a raised horn button, so it will allow plenty of room between the bottom of the horn button and the steering shaft. Now, in my application, the steering column shaft is about 1/8 of an inch taller than the bottom of the steering wheel adapter. And so the original horn button I had placed the button actually down level with the steering column adapter, and there just wasn't enough room to do that. I was disappointed. So I ordered this button made by the same company, and because it is raised up about approximately 1 inch, and so the horn button has plenty of room below it for the steering column shaft. There's no interference at all, and it went together like a dream. Now, they have 2 different versions of this. This is the brushed aluminum finish, and they also have a high polished chrome version. Now, I ordered this not realizing it was brushed finish. I thought it was chrome. But I found out that I'd ordered this one, and so I immediately ordered the chrome one with high polish. Well, after getting this one, the finish matches perfectly the steering wheel spokes, and it looks really good, and I am tickled to death. I can't tell you how happy I am to have found a solution to my horn button problem. So now that it looks much more finished, the finishes match. And I know that's not a big deal, but I love chrome. I love chrome, but this looks great. So when I get the other steering column, the horn button, I will ship it back. I'll return that for a refund. All right, I am done with the steering column, and I can move on to other projects. I've got a vent window. I need to finish getting the rubber for the vent in. All right, well, I'm going to get to work on that next. And we will see you next time here in the Shade Tree Garage.